Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Toshiba laptop to factory settings or factory state running Windows 10. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to proceed to type in reset. One of the best matches should come back of reset this PC right above system settings. You want to just left click on that one time to open up the settings window here. And now if we direct your attention over to the right underneath recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. It says you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. Left click on get started here to begin. So underneath choose an option, we have two main options to choose from here. Either keep my files, which will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, which even though it says keeps your personal files, I would still highly recommend backing up any important files or documents to an external media source like a USB flash drive or a DVD. And we also have the option to remove everything, which will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, so a clean factory reset, which is what we're going to be doing in today's tutorial. So I'm going to select that, and we are going to have a couple more prompts we're going to have to address before we actually jump into the reset process. So then you're going to be prompted if you want to clean the drives as well. So if you're going to be donating or giving your computer to somebody else, I would suggest selecting the second option to remove files and clean the drive. However, if you're going to be holding on to your computer, I would select just remove my files. And honestly, we're pretty much there at that point, because now all we have to do is confirm that resetting will remove all of the personal files and user accounts on this PC, all apps and programs, and any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. Left click on reset to begin this process. It will take some time, and I will jump back in on the narration when I deem it's appropriate. So just hang tight and I will be back. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select Next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use Express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit. Or you can click on Customize right here. It should be the middle button. And you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes. And you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are. And I'm going to select Next here. I'm going to select Next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select Not Now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh install of Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do Not Now, bottom left. Hello everyone, I am back. So our Toshiba laptop has been reset to factory settings. So at this point, go ahead and reinstall any applications you had to remove in the process of this tutorial. And once you have it set up, would suggest creating a backup. So once you're done getting your computer set up, I'd recommend creating a restore point, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.